Welcome to Honeymood Meditations. My name is Shavika, and this is a mindful meditation with the focus on the body scan technique. I'm going to lead you point by point throughout the body to invite ease and relaxation to each area. The intention of this meditation is to bring awareness and ease to your body, connect to your breath, relieve tension, and practice presence. If you find that your attention wanders, simply just notice that it is happening and gently and kindly bring your awareness back to the next body point that I mentioned. While we're at it, I'd like to invite you to be curious and invite some play into today's practice too. Why not? So take a moment to get settled and adjust into a comfortable seated position. This could be in a chair, perhaps on a cushion, on the ground. You can also lie down or practice this standing up, whatever feels most comfortable to you. Now just allow your eyes to close or cast your gaze downwards just a few feet in front of you. Let your hands rest on your lap or your legs, wherever they feel most comfortable. And just allow your hands to soften. Now, feel where the body touches the ground. Let the ground support you. Sit or lie down with a tall, long spine, like a tree. Take a few deep breaths and allow yourself to arrive. Trust in knowing that these deep breaths can invite relaxation and help us be here and now in the present moment. Let's begin our body scan. With each area that I mention, we'll invite softness, ease, and relaxation. Let's start with our facial muscles. Can you bring some ease to your jaw, your tongue, and your cheeks? Allow your eyes to be soft, your forehead, and your third eye, just above your brows. Now let's bring awareness to your throat, inviting ease and softness into this area. And beginning with our right side, let's focus on the right shoulder, down to the right elbow. Moving to the right hand. Perhaps you notice tingling, temperature, or vibration. Just allow those sensations to be there. Moving back up, focusing on the right elbow, the right shoulder, and back to the throat. Beginning with the left side, let's focus on the left shoulder, down to the left elbow, the left hand, noticing perhaps any difference between the right side and the left side. Moving back up to the left elbow, the left shoulder, and now back to the throat. Let's focus our attention to the center of the chest, where your heart space is. Here you might notice tension. You might notice your breath rising and falling. Let's invite some space here. Let's bring awareness now to your belly, allowing your breath to rise and fall, moving down towards the center of the pubic bone, really feeling how this area connects to the ground beneath you. And again, starting with our right side, let's bring ease and softness into the right hip, the right knee, the right ankle, the right foot. Perhaps you notice some sensations like buzzing or tightness or pressure. Inviting that ease into this side of the body. Working our way back up to the right knee, the right hip, the center of the pubic bone, and now starting with our left side, focusing on that left hip, allowing softness into the left knee, the left ankle, and the left foot. Again, noticing the difference between the right side of the body and the left side of the body. Working our way back up to the left knee, the left hip, back to the center of the pubic bone, and working our way back up to the belly. Our heart space in the center of the chest, our throat, and the third eye. Where do you notice the breath? Perhaps it's in your nostrils, your chest, or your belly. Let's rest here for a few moments. If you find that your mind wanders, allow the breath to be your anchor and gently direct and guide your awareness back to your breath. For the last couple of minutes, let's notice the effects of the meditation. Maybe you found that your thoughts have slowed down a little. Perhaps there's more ease into your body. Take a moment to thank yourself for practicing today. Notice where your body touches the ground and begin to deepen your breath. When you're ready, gently open your eyes. thank you for practicing with Honeymood meditations. Please comment below on what you notice in your meditation. And if you have any ideas or requests for the next meditation, let us know. We'd love to hear from you.